Hi, my name is Tracy and I'm a patient at Taylor Drive Dental Care. So what brought me to Taylor Drive Dental Care was a referral from a friend. I guess I was looking for somebody who was more of a one-stop shop kind of a dentist who could do everything I was looking for. I had a front tooth crown I wanted redone and I knew that they had experience in that. Also, I was hoping to do a Invisalign after that, and they do the Invisalign here in the office. So I've been very happy with everything so far. Working with Dr. Elliott has been fantastic through my whole journey in the last 6 months. He's very personable. He also just didn't put a tooth on my face and say that it looked great and send me on my way. He chatted with me about it, and we both decided what my care plan looked like going forward, and he worked with me on that. How I feel going into appointments is probably like most people when they go into the dentist office. They hate it. I'm not a fan. I have very high anxiety. I prefer not to be here, but Dr. Elliott and his staff have been wonderful through the whole process. I'm very comfortable just to raise my hand. He will stop, ask what I need to just feel comfortable to continue through my treatment. What keeps me coming back to Taylor Drive Dental, I would say most is the staff themselves. Of course, I'm very happy with how my front tooth turned out, but the staff from the front desk ladies who answer the phone, who take care of me after my appointment, to the hygienists who clean my teeth, everyone along the way has just been amazing, and I will definitely continue coming back. I would definitely recommend Taylor Drive Dental Care to my friends, to my family. I actually also have done that. It just is a great place to come to be educated, to get great care, and to walk away with a very confident smile in the end.